Are you ready to take your online presence to the next level? In just 5 minutes, I'm gonna share the top 3 digital marketing secrets that will make all the difference for your business. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. In today's fast-moving business world, digital marketing is no longer optional, it's survival. But with so many options, SEO, social media, email, paid ads, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. One moment it's Instagram Reels, the next it's Google Ads or TikTok trends. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle to keep up. The problem is you're trying to do everything. You see every new trend, shiny object, platform update, or channel and think you need to chase it. But here's the secret. You don't need everything. You just need the right things. And guess what? I'm about to tell you exactly what those are. So let's dive in. 1. SEO. Search engine optimization, simply put, is how you get found on Google. When someone searches for a product or service you offer, your website should be one of the top results. Yes, you can do this without breaking the bank. You don't need an expensive marketing team or complicated strategies. You just need the basics. First, use keywords that people are actually searching for. How do you find them? Start with what you already know about your business and customers. What words or phrases would they use to find your products or services? Let's say you run a bakery in a small town. Some obvious keywords might be bakery, cakes, cupcakes, but don't stop there. Think like your customers. What problems does your bakery solve? What benefits do they get from your products? Maybe custom cakes for weddings, gluten-free cupcakes, best place for birthday cakes. These are all keywords that people might use to search. Once you have a list, sprinkle them naturally throughout your site, especially page titles and content. This tells Google what your site and pages are about. Second, optimize your site speed and mobile usability. This is crucial. If your site loads slowly or isn't mobile-friendly, people will leave faster than you can say gluten-free, and Google will notice and rank you lower. Use tools like Google's Mobile-Friendly Test or GTMETRIX to check your site performance and fix any issues. Third, create quality content consistently. This is where you shine. Create blog posts, videos, or any other content that helps your audience. Answer their questions, solve their problems, and most importantly, use your keywords naturally. This lets Google know your site is relevant and builds trust with your audience. SEO takes time, but the results are worth it. Imagine the feeling of seeing your website climb the rankings, outranking your competitors, and welcoming more organic traffic to your site. With SEO, you can achieve that and sustain long-term growth. 2. Social media. Now let's talk social media marketing. Listen up, because here's the deal. Social media isn't just about likes and shares. It's about building trust in relationships. Yes, you need to show off your products or services, but also share your personality, your story. Why? Because people buy from people they like and trust. So engage with your audience. Ask questions, respond to comments, run polls. Make it personal. Pick 1 to 2 platforms where your target audience spends time. Don't try to be everywhere at once. That's a recipe for disaster. Instead, focus on providing value consistently. Share industry insights, tips, behind-the-scenes peeks. Give your audience a reason to follow and stick around. 3. Email marketing. Email marketing, the grand old veteran of digital marketing. Don't let its age fool you. Email is far from dead. In fact, it's one of the highest ROI channels out there. Here's why. First, build an email list from day one. Offer something valuable like a discount code in exchange for email signups. You'll need to provide value in return. Think exclusive content, early access to sales, or special offers. This builds trust and encourages people to stay subscribed. Send emails regularly. This could be weekly newsletters, monthly updates, or even daily emails if that's your thing. Just make sure each email provides value. Help your readers, entertain them, or both. Remember, you own your email list. Social media, you're just renting space. Now here's the ultimate game changer. Data analytics. You can't guess your way to success. You need data. Track everything from SEO traffic to social media engagement, email open rates, and website conversions. Use tools like Google Analytics, Meta Insights, or email marketing platforms. They provide invaluable data to help you optimize your efforts. Look at what's working, double down on it. And if something isn't converting, it's time to change course. Right. So there you have it. Digital marketing landscape is vast, but you don't need to be everywhere. Focus on SEO, social media, email, and data analytics. With these 4 secrets in your back pocket, you're ready to conquer the digital world. Remember, consistency is key. Stay focused, stay informed, and watch your online presence soar. Got questions, comments, or want help getting started? Drop us a comment below. We're here to help. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more game-changing tips and strategies. See you in the next video.